Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jerianna Janae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I take my hair from this to this. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing that you want to do is part your hair into two sections. I parted my hair from ear to ear because that's about the amount of hair I wanted to be in the ponytail. I wanted to have most of the hair in the back so that way that part is more full. Alright, so after you guys have your two sections, you want to go ahead and take the second half and you want to go ahead and braid that straight to the back. I decided to do that braiding pattern because that's the easiest for me, and then I'm just going to tuck the ends into the parts. Okay, so once your hair is all braided and the ends are tucked, you want to go ahead and take your cap and put that on, and then once you have that on, you want to draw a line where the part is, so that way when you get ready to cut the ends or cut the cap off, the excess cap, you want to make sure that you're not cutting any of your hair. And then after that, I took some of my Pump It Up spray because this is what I usually do when I do quick weaves. If you haven't seen my other quick weave video, I do that because the glue tends to stick better once you use the Pump It Up Spritz. So once the spritz has dried a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and take the hair that I'm going to be using and start gluing in the tracks. So because this part is pretty repetitive, I'm just going to come back to you guys once I actually start working on the ponytail. Alright, so now that all the tracks are glued in the back, it's time to cut away that excess cap so we can get ready to work on the ponytail. So here I'm going to be taking some of my tea tree oil as a heat protectant for when I get ready to flat iron my hair. So as you guys can see, I'm not really flat ironing my hair from root to tip. I'm only doing the roots because that's what I wanted to mainly focus on, getting very sleek and straight, because my tips aren't even going to be out. It's going to be tucked in the ponytail. So I just want to focus on that and getting that super, super straight. Okay, so now that my hair is straight, I'm gonna be working on trying to get this hair to lay down in this ponytail. So y'all, pray for me, okay? Also, I wanted to mention to you guys that I'm going to be using multiple products throughout this video to basically get my hair to lay down and get straight. So I'm going to be using the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray, this brand of edge control that I always use, some gel, a wax stick, all type of stuff to get my hair straight, because y'all, it was a challenge trying to get my hair straight. It took me forever to get this part to lay down, because one part would, like, once I got one part laying down, the other part would start getting frizzy and curly. So it was a process. So I would highly suggest that if you guys don't have to use these products, try to figure out what products actually work for your hair texture, because y'all, it was a challenge, but we got it done. We got it done. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have my hair in a loose ponytail, and I'm just going back and forth between the edge control and the gel and the Got to Be Glued Freeze Spray, and I'm just taking that to actually lay my hair down the way that I need it to lay, and then going on top of it with my blow dryer to get it to actually slick down and lay in place. Okay, so once I got my hair to lay down to my liking, I went ahead and grabbed another ponytail holder and put it in a tighter ponytail into the one that I basically want it to be in. And now I'm just putting my scarf on to actually lay my hair down and keep it in place. here I'm just braiding the loose ends of my hair down, and then I'm going to be taking one of my black styling strips to wrap around my braid, so that way when I get ready to glue the tracks onto that, it can protect my hair from getting any like glue on that. Okay, so now that the styling strip is dry, I'm just going to take my tracks and just start gluing them in and just going around and around and around the ponytail. And basically, I'm just going to keep repeating this step until I get the ponytail as full as I want it to be. Alright, so now that the ponytail is as full as I want it to be, I'm just going to take a few hairs from the actual ponytail just so that I can wrap it around the top of it, so I can create a band so that it's just not showing that track, because then it just looks kind of tacky if I leave it that way. So I'm just going to do that so that way it gets a little bit of a cleaner look. And I'm going to take some of my Got To Be Glue Free spray, and I'm going to do that to actually tack the band in place. So here I'm just laying down my edges, and then I'm going to put on my scarf so that way they can set in place, and then I'm going to move on to curling my hair. Also, what I'm using to lay my edges are the Ampro Pro Style Super Hold styling gel, and then I'm using the Murray's Edgewax Extreme Hold. I don't know if I mentioned those earlier, but these products will be listed down in the description box. Alright guys, so once you have the edges all laid and slayed, it is time to curl this hair and wrap up this hairstyle, y'all. Like, I feel like I've been working on this hairstyle forever, but actually this was the quickest part of this entire like hairstyle. This is the easiest thing to do. So once you guys have that all done, then you are finished. All right, guys, this is the final look. I am so pleased with how this turned out. This is like my second attempt trying to do this half up, half down hairstyle, and this one turned out way better than I expected. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.